So you want to make a travel vlog that people actually watch? Not just your mom, but thousands of viewers? Stay till the end because I'll show you exactly how to make a viral travel vlog step by step. From choosing the right gear to cinematic shots and editing like a pro. This guide will level up your travel vlogs fast. Viral travel vlogs don't just happen. You need a plan. Here's what you do. Pick a theme. Are you showing hidden gems? Food adventures? Budget travel? Decide your story. Pre-plan your shots. Think ahead. What are the best angles, transitions, or drone shots to capture? Have a rough script, not word for word, but know your key points so you don't ramble. Great vlogs start with great footage. Here's how to make your shots look next level. Use dynamic shots, mix close-ups, wide shots, slow motion, and time-lapses. Master lighting, golden hour, sunrise and sunset, equals best natural light. Use movement. Walk into your shots, pan your camera, or use a gimbal for smooth footage. And don't forget, the first 10 seconds of your vlog need to hook viewers, or they're gone. Nobody wants to watch a robotic, awkward monologue. Here's how to sound natural and engaging. Talk to the camera like a friend. Pretend you're FaceTiming someone. Keep energy high, smiling and enthusiasm make people stay. Use jump cuts and zooms. It keeps attention locked in. This is where the magic happens. Editing can make or break your vlog. Pick the right music. Upbeat tracks equals high energy. Chill beats equals relaxing mood. Use fast cuts. Cut out any boring moments. No fluff. No dead air. Add sound effects and text. Whoosh, pops, and bold captions keep viewers engaged. If you want your vlog to blow up, use these secret hacks. Every 3 seconds, something must change. A cut, zoom, effect, or sound. Keep viewers curious. Say, wait till the end, you won't believe what happened next. Ask viewers a fun question so they interact and boost your video. Now you know exactly how to create a killer travel vlog. But if you want to grow even faster, check out this next video on this YouTube